Hi, I'm Miss Cathy.
And I'm Miss Kelly. Welcome to the garden. Today in the garden, we will be talking about taking care of the garden. Water your garden. All plants need water to grow. Weed your garden. Weeding helps give your seedlings room to grow. Check your garden every day so you can monitor how your plants are doing and check for pests and other problems.
Let's check our garden. Our rosemary is happy and very fragrant. The rose bush is enjoying the extra space and has put off some new growth and pretty pink flowers. The marigold seedlings are sprouting up all over the place. The carrot seedlings are also doing well. And the seeds we planted in our container garden are also sprouting. The chives seedlings have sprouted, but they've been pretty slow growing. The basil seedlings have been struggling a bit, but there are a few that continue to grow.
Problems in the garden. Something has been nibbling the basil seedlings. We sowed some more basil seeds to see if we could get a few more to grow.
We had some night visitors digging in the garden. Who do you think it could be? The library is located near a wooded area. Our visitors could be a raccoon, an armadillo, or even a possum. All of these animals are nocturnal, which means they are active at night.
One of the most important things you need to grow a garden is patience. Next time, we will learn all about propagating plants.
Thanks for watching. Tune in next time to see how our garden grows.